let's talk about it. What is, let's speculate. But right now, what is clear?
What is clear is we need to do the booking process here.
Yeah, she's asking that she is brought to the hospital. You can do that there. Is that too much to ask?
Yes, sir, that's too much.
Oh, is that too much?
80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. 80 years old siya. Walang kaso. 80 years old siya.
Ilan sa Filipino ang nahuli kayong araw na to? Ilan ang
Anong kaso? Kaya nga, anong kaso? Gawa lang yung kaso.
Kung kayo lang sir, ilang Pilipino ang binuka, ilang presidente na namumuk.
So that means that you are banking on the inequality of the law because of the status of the person.
Pinag-uusapan dito ngayon, syempre, yung impeachment po ni VP. Is it true that are you really going to join his defense panel, Mr. President? In her, rather, defense council po. In her defense team.
Yes.
You still join, sir?
Yes.
Kaya you want the defense, the lead counsel anymore, sir?
Well, I will deal with the multiple problems as they come along, and there will be a lot of them. But the basic issues remain the same.
Alright. Sir, nakapag-usap na po kayo ni VP?
She was beside me a few minutes ago, after dinner.
Alright, it's good to hear you had dinner together. Sir, ano pong pinayo niyo sa kanya, sir? If there's any po.
Na pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon mo. At tumakbo ka ng presidente. At continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am. Ngayon na lang. Of late. Because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem pa ulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sige, sundin mo na. And for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang magpatuloy ng sumagot. At kung mapresidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko. At okay ka. Huwag kang matakot, sabi ko makulong ka.
So did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Anong particularly, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha po ni VP Sara para mag-think okay talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyang salita mo, sir, kaya ano eh.
Ah.
Anyway, sir,
Tama yan.
sir, napag-usapan niyo pa ni VP about sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniniwala yung babae niya ng payo. At saka, hindi naman interesado yan kung ma-impeach talaga siya o well, impeachment ay proceeding. The trial itself, you should not worry a bit. I don't know, but makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond. But as always, she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life, a new beginning. Ganun yan siya. So, pagka ganun ang kausap po ang tao, hindi mo mabigyan ng payo. What for? Hindi naman nakikinig.
Okay. Sir, what made you change your heart? Kasi alam namin nung una, lagi niyo pong dinidiscourage si Ma'am Inday na wag talagang tatakbo kasi you've been there. Alam niyo, ayaw niyo siyang mahirapan. What made you change your heart and mind and now you're convincing your daughter to run na po for president? Why the change of heart po?
Para yung... Well, she truly loves her country. Dapat gawin niyang dapat niyang gawin. At this time, at this point in time, when paalis na ako at patanda na. At maybe soon, so sooner than expected, I will make my exit as a politician.
And then how did she respond or what was her reply po to you, sir?
I
What
think
did she-
si Inday has become a political animal. Kasi lolo niya kasi for the longest time, the governor of Davao Province yung isa pa. Parang pumasok na sa subconscious level niya yung politika. Tapos ako, tagal ko sa politika.
Okay. Sir, may I just go back po doon sa ICC, nung pumutok po pala ito kahapon, sinabi po ng Malacanang na nagre-ready po sila for any eventualities. Meron na po bang dapat paghandaan ang gobyerno, sir, kung sakali man po that, you will really be arrested? Should the government be ready for any eventualities?
Not exactly in the sense that they have to make a big celebration or preparation about it. It's just a simple matter of tendering the warrant. Ako naman, dumaan ako ng prosecutor, dumaan ako ng lahat-lahat na hanggang presidente. All I have to do is just to abide by the rules. Libro naman lahat yan. So if there is an arrest order and you are served the warrant of arrest, pwede tanggapin mo and then go to the court and explain what is this all about. And kung sabihin mo na ganun-ganun may kasalanan, let us go to trial. Huwag na natin patagalin to. We go to trial and let's find out if what you're asserting is true.
All right. Okay. Sir, going back to Ma'am Inday, meron pong mga nananawagan na pabilisin or madali na yung kanyang impeachment. What's your take on this po, Mr. President? Yung mga dapat daw kahit naka-recess, simulan na raw po ang hearing.
I go by the rules of destiny. It could be hastened, it could be slowed down. It is not within her control. Itong mga bagay na ito. It's somebody else's card. So all she has to do is to maybe study yung mga probable kaso na may isampa sa kanya and make the preparation.
Alright.
Ang haba naman itong impeachment kasakali kung natuloy.
So sa tingin niyo ba talagang tutuluyan siya? Speaking of sakaling matuloy, sa tingin niyo po ba tutuluyan talaga si Ma'am Inday?
Pwede. Politika kasi itong Pilipinas eh. Hindi na uso yan noon yung ganun because let me put it this way. It was never a fad. It was never a practice. Even by the years na nandyan ako, pati yung tatay ko sa politics. Mga bagong theories that would come up suddenly and discussed publicly. And since it is part really of the laws, in the books, so if it is used, then so be it. We will respond to, since it is a legal thing, then we will respond legally. respond legally. So, what's in there?
Okay. Sir, matanong ko lang po kayo, ano po ang masasabi ninyo doon sa sinasabi ng mga supporters po ninyo na pag pinili po nila kayong arestuhin, magkakagulo?
Ang payo ko sa mga kababayan ko is intindihin nila ang ating gobyerno and that this is a government of laws and not of men. At kung may mga tao na gawin yung batas, use them in, I don't know how would I call it, pero kung gawain nila sa akin yan, the remedies are also nasa libro, so I can always respond legally. I would not be anticipating any action in the near future, but it may come. I am not totally taking it out from the political picture. Pero kung dadating, abogado man ako, tignan natin, let us see what comes up. If may nakita silang butas sa akin, they can prove it, then I go to prison. I suppose that you will visit me once in a while just to interview me.
Pero sir, can you prevent people from doing it? I mean, I hate to call this, pero yung bang nag-uumalam yung suporta sa inyo? I mean, would
Well,
you really tell them na?
You know, I'm a lawyer, so I will exhaust all legal remedies before maybe raise my hands in total surrender to the laws of the land, or I don't know how I might hide in the mountains of Batanes or in Luzon. Marami naman pagtaguan dyan eh. Kasi sa Davao wala ng kahoy. Makikita ka na.
Sir, speaking ng pagtago, may mga nagsasabing kayo daw po kayo nagpunta ng Hong Kong kasi precisely because wanted to, to evade the warrant of arrest. Gusto niyo raw po itong takasan.
Sus Mario Sir. Mas lalo akong mahuli dito kung may... You know, this is a foreign country. I am here as a visitor. We do not enjoy any privileges here. You cannot even use your little or what is left of your powers that you used to have. So wala akong ano dito. Bakit ako magtago daw? Nag-enjoy ako dito kasi dinala ko ang apo ko for the first time, si Mira, sa Disneyland. And she has been practically not even asking, begging her mother na dalhin siya doon kasi nakikita kasi niya sa TV. Like finally, we decided na, sige, so nandito kami. So happens that the Vice President is also here, so it's kind of a family outing. Ang nangyari. Yun lang
How
po.
was it, sir?
Mabuti lang si Inday. At saka kung magtago ako, hindi ako magtago sa ibang lugar. Diyan ako sa Pilipinas. Diyan mo hindi mo ako makita.